How to enable ChatGPT voice on desktop computer. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can enable ChatGPT voice on desktop computer. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up your browser and in the search bar type in chatgpt.com, and that's gonna take you to this page. Here, make sure that you're logged in with your account. If you're not logged in, create an account and make sure to sign in into your account. So once you're signed in, you will see this kind of interface. Here you can type anything and ask questions to ChatGPT and it will respond you back. But if you want to enable the voice command feature, then navigate to this voice mode icon. Look at it right here. Now you can use this voice mode, click on it, and you can use your voice command, or you can talk to ChatGPT. You can ask anything to it and it will respond you back using the voice feature. So in this way you can enable the voice mode on ChatGPT on desktop computer. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.